Hi natural hair lovers, today I'll be showing you how to make this creamy aloe vera hair butter that your hair will love and thank you for. First thing first, let me take you through the ingredients we'll be needing. Shea butter. This will deeply moisturize your hair, seal in hydration and also help to reduce breakage. Next is our DIY aloe vera oil. This oil will help to keep or restore moisture to your hair. It aids in scalp healing too. And we'll be adding essential oils. Here we have aloe vera and eucalyptus essential oil, our measuring cup and our scale. Let's go right into the measurements of our ingredients and proceed to the making of this hair butter. Having measured your shea butter, you go ahead to use the double boiler method to melt it so other ingredients will be properly incorporated into it. You might be asking, who can use this hair butter? Kids can use it, adults can use it because it doesn't contain any harsh chemicals. Now here's how to use it. On your damp hair after washing, you apply a small amount and massage it from the root of your hair to the tip. You can also braid with it. Now in this, our star ingredient is the aloe vera, and here is the aloe vera oil we're adding to the already melted shea butter. Aloe vera is a miracle plant. It calms itchy scalp, it strengthens your hair, it reduces breakage and also adds shine to your hair. After you've done that, you go ahead to add in few drops of your essential oils. You mix properly to combine and then you cover with a cling film and keep in your fridge to solidify before you go ahead to whip your butter. As always, do not forget to subscribe to Hydrates Naturals. Do well to share, like and comment. If you have any question concerning natural hair or this recipe on aloe vera hair butter, do well to leave your comment and I will be glad to answer it. Stay tuned as you watch the remaining parts of the video.